It is said that productivity is about time management. But what if it's really about identity management? Because how you see yourself is how you show up. So let's upgrade who you are, not just what you do. Welcome back. This is day 29 of our journey into 2026. You are doing more than just ticking boxes. You are rewiring the very identity from which you live and lead. Today is not about time hacks, it's about internal alignment. And why does this matter? Because your habits follow your identity, not the other way around. So if you believe that you are someone who is inconsistent, overwhelmed, scattered, your behaviors will subconsciously reflect that. So let's change the identity. And everything changes with it. This is one of the biggest NLP shifts. Acting from who you choose to be, not who you have been conditioned to be. So here is today's practice. Take 5 minutes to visualize yourself at your most productive. Not the stressed productive, but the flow productive. What do you notice? Now write an identity statement beginning with I am someone who ... Fill in the blanks. Here are some examples. I am someone who finishes what I start. I am someone who shows up focused and grounded. I am someone who protects my deep work time. I am someone who leads with clarity and calm. I am someone who creates impact without burnout. Now give that version of you a name. Not a fancy name, a real one, a cue. It could be a CEO me, or morning warrior, or clarity commander, or Zen executioner. Whatever it is, anchor it. Write it down and use it like a prompt. And every morning this week, ask yourself, who am I being today? And your reflection prompt is, who do I become when I am most productive? And I would invite you to drop your answer in the comments. What is the name of your productive self? Let's make it real. And here is a bonus invitation for you. If this identity level shift excites you, then I invite you to check out my High Impact Performer course, a step-by-step system to rewire how you think, plan, and perform. This course is usually priced at 15,000 rupees, but as a part of the 100-day challenge tribe, you get it at only 9,999 rupees. The link with the coupon code is in the bio, description, caption, depending where you are watching this. And I assure you that your future self will thank you for this. So stay with the journey and send this video to a friend who is building a better version of themselves. And I'll see you tomorrow as we shift gears from identity to inner kindness. Till then, keep the curiosity alive.